About 6 seconds left for the markets to open, and looks like it's going to be an opening in the red. Down about 80 odd points for the Nifty. The Sensex is down about 300 points, and it is, many stocks are under pressure as we open trade. There's Hindalco, Coal India, Eicher Motors, ONGC, TCS that are down about 1 to 1.5%. It's just dragging its feet, the overall index. It's nothing alarming in terms of a sell-off, still pivoting around that 18,000 mark. There is Asian Paints, Reliance, Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank that are also under a tad bit of pressure in the large caps. And on the upside, it is pharmaceutical stocks that are holding up. Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, Divi's, Cipla are all in the green. And then Bharti Airtel is in the news, so it's up about 0.4%. UPL is up just about 0.1% or so. All in all, you'd have to say the market breadth is slightly on the weaker side with over 1,000 stocks on the declining side. But it's, heavyweights like Reliance, HDFC, ONGC, TCS that are dragging the markets lower. 80 points now down on the Nifty, still facing a bit of resistance at that 50-day moving average that we were talking about earlier, which stands at 18,235. So that seems to be a bit of a hurdle. Weak opening for the market, now down 80 points. What are you looking at in the mid-caps?
In the mid-cap end of things, the thing that stands out is that today the advanced decline is firmly in favor of declines at the open. We have nearly 1,500 stocks which are lower for about 800 stocks which are higher. So roughly close to around 2:1 is the advanced decline ratio. And that's something we will watch out for closely, primarily because the last 3 days, the market breadth was firmly in favor of advances. Among the stocks which are losing, we have Shriram Finance, which is down almost 5.5 odd percent. Delta Corp is the other one, which is down 2%. Counterintuitive on Delta Corp primarily because towards the year end, it does well. PNB comes out of FNO ban, down about 1.5%. So this is something we'll watch out for because PSU banks usually pick up pace after a bit of a dip. On the way up, a lot of these stocks actually, which have been doing well all through this week. Bikaji, the fourth consecutive session where we see an up move of 5%, an upper circuit move. This week, it's up around 22 odd percent. We're seeing some purchase come by in Adani Wilmar as well. There's a brokerage note on that counter. A good move for Adani Wilmar all through this week, up 20 odd percent. And we're seeing some weakness in Lemon Tree Hotels. We're seeing some gains come by in Metropolis Health, some in Aurobindo Pharma. So it's really mixed with more decliners than advancing stocks. Prashant?
It is, Mangalam, at this point in time. So 2:1, when the advance declines to advances rather, has swiftly moved to being 2:1 so about 1,200 stocks.